Mabende wuok Ahero Girls ne oor pacho kod tend sikunno kaluwore kod Oula mano mabende ne omuomo ma odonjo nyaka e sikunno kendo rocho chenro go mago mag somo. Kaluwore kod japuonj maduong' mano mar sikunno wacho ni jopuonjre go biro dhi nyime bedo pacho nyaka chopi piny owacho mano mamalo kaachiel kod migepe mago mopogore opogore obi olosi kata tieke midhiero mano mar Oula ma osebedo ka kelo negi wich bar e sikunno.
River Nyando has burst its banks, and this is the situation. The school is flooded. We came with official shoes. We are now wearing boots. We are down there in a meeting place. We could not hold even our meeting in the meeting room. We had to hold our BOM meeting in the bus. We are asking if the government could really do a most important thing. Make dikes like Budalangi will not be having what Ahero is having, and we'll have a situation where our children will be in a learning environment that is conducive, that is good, and that is caring. Because right now we don't know which diseases they will have. Some of them don't have boots; they are walking barefooted. They're animals walking around on water. What is going to happen to our children? They might be sick with malaria tomorrow. They might be getting cholera tomorrow. No, we haven't closed. We cannot close the school because we need a government directive to do so. And this just happened today. So decision making has to follow several policies before we can be allowed to close the school.
What I'm saying that our academic program has been slightly affected. We were in the process of doing examination, which was supposed to go for 3 good weeks, 3 good days. But as you can see, we cannot continue normally. I'm saying normally. So our classes have been affected. That is true, but have been affected. The place is flooded. As for me, I echo what Madam has said, Dr. has said. This requires a multi-sectoral and multitask team. The national government and county government should come here. I'm disappointed today at Rayo. I've not seen anybody around.
The students are very, very much safe. I'm here in person. I'm their representative. I've gone to the dome. The domes are perfect. The classes, very few are affected, but the toilets are still okay, they're in use. But we are going to monitor the situation. Before we leave the school, we shall have made a proper announcement to the parents.
Our leaders has really failed us, both at the county level and the national level. The main problem of this now, you can see here, is the Korusoin Dam that has been a talk over the years, but there's nothing being done. The construction of dikes is really affecting the people of Nyando. So I'll just urge, we are claiming that we're in the broad-based government, but it has no value to us, especially the people from Nyando. We are just stamping that we're in broad-based government, but issues to do with floods you are not talking about. So I'll urge the government, our president, Honorable William Samoei Ruto, kindly intervene this. Let the Korusoin Dam be solved.
Rais, hatujali. Sisi kama mimi ni mtu mwenye naishi peke yangu na watoto. Nyumba yangu ilijaa tangu juzi. Sasa leo pia tulienda tukapanguza jana ikarudi chini. Leo sasa sijui naenda wapi, vitu zote zimeharibika. Sijui nitafanya aje. Hata saa hizi sijui mtoto wangu mmoja ameenda wapi. Sijui na sijapata penye ameenda.